Hey guys, I am here today to talk to you about this charger. It is a C2C type charger. So it actually comes with two. So what this is it is 100 watt blast past fastest charging. So it saves more time. So it's again a C2C. So you have to have this specific type C port. And this is what it looks like. So a lot of the new iPads have them. Or possibly some of the Samsung Galaxies, I think, are charging this way. So this is an upgrade, and it's 6 times faster, and it can charge your device up to the 80% within 30 minutes. So here it is right here. What I like about this is that it has that rope covering, so it's not flimsy, it's not going to break. It has this right angle design, so when you plug it in, you know how sometimes if you have a charger that just goes in straight as so, it can get bent, and then that ends up actually tearing the wire, which I've actually had happen with my phones. So this just goes straight into the side. So it is, it comes in a 2-pack of 6.6 foot cable. So it has built-in laser technology. And what this means is that it's never going to break. So it's got that, like I said, it's got that double braided material. So it's going to last longer, and they say it will never break. What you get with this also is a 3-year warranty. So should for whatever reason it break, should be replaceable. So like I said, since this is the new C type, it is only going to work with any port that has this specific C type. So it kind of looks like, you know, it's not going to work on like an iPhone 11 Pro, which is what I have, or iMax, or I forget what I have. But this will not work on my current phone. However, it will work on my new iPad, which is the iPad Pro with a 12.9 inch. But it will work on most Samsung Galaxies, most laptops that are like the MacBook Air. It will work with that. It will work with the Google Pixel. And then, like I said, a lot of your Samsung Galaxies it will work with. You just have to look and see which one you have. Thanks, guys. I hope you have a great day.